have some weather of our own to talk about. Don Paul, of course, is tracking the very latest and joins us now with an update. Don?
Yeah, and that citrus thing is just a small part of the agricultural disaster ongoing in California due to their severe drought. Got ranchers selling off livestock, as happened in Texas 2 years ago. Just awful for our #1 food producing state. Around here, once again, we have a split decision from the National Weather Service at this time, and we relay their official watches and warnings to you. They have not upgraded the winter storm watch for the Niagara Frontier to a warning yet because there is still some uncertainty as to whether we'll get moderate versus heavy snow. Confidence higher for heavy snow to the south. We are going to receive at least moderate snow, and I can tell you that Wednesday morning commute is going to be a slow one. We're getting some clearing now, and that's going to allow temperatures to drop more rapidly with light winds and dry air in place. A lot of interior spots will head down to the single digits. Where is our storm? Well, it's hard to find on the surface right now. The area of low pressure is way down in the southern plains just now, developing this shield of snow, which will go from here to here late tomorrow night and continue into Wednesday. Let's take a look. The model I showed you earlier at the top of the newscast was our VividCast. Let's take a look at another in-house model for timing of the precipitation. The RPM showing us with mainly clear skies at 3 a.m. Good amount of sunshine when you walk out the door. Cold temperatures, but very light winds, which make them more bearable. Ahead of the storm, clouds start to increase. High clouds at first during the afternoon, staying tranquil. Then tomorrow evening, for the most part, dry. We may start to see some snow before midnight near the state line. We will see snow, as you see, moving toward the morning. Now, the amounts of snow may be a little lighter up here than down here, but up here on the Niagara Frontier Wednesday morning, I'm anticipating northeast winds at 15 to 22, where the winds will be lighter in the southern tier. So there may be some blowing snow, not whiteouts, complicating the morning commute. And then during the day, we see snow continuing to set up over the Niagara Frontier. So again, at least moderate amounts here, greater likelihood of heavy amounts here. Not a paralyzing storm, but the afternoon commute, a little better in that the wind speeds will be down a little and the trailing edge of that steadier snow will begin to pull off. And then we'll probably see a few light snow showers tomorrow night. Here are our projections, and I've gone over all the data I could get my little hands on and have not had to change them. Based on the newest data, we're still projecting 5 to 7 inches from around Buffalo to the north toward Lake Ontario. There could be some Lake Ontario enhancement in Orleans County. 6 to 9 inches from near Dunkirk across the Buffalo South towns to southern Genesee and northern Wyoming counties, and then a higher chance of 7 to 10 inches. And the hills in Allegheny and Potter counties could end up with more than 10 inches, maybe a foot, by the time we get to the end of the day on Wednesday. 18 degrees, not 8 yet. Partly cloudy, almost calm out there. And across the area, it has slipped to 9 at Dunkirk. Unusual for Dunkirk to be the cold spot. The winds will stay light right through tomorrow. Here's your forewarned forecast. Partly clear and cold, but tranquil. The dawn, low temperature from 5 to 10. Then for tomorrow, good amount of sun to start with, increasing clouds during the afternoon, 25 to 28, but with light winds. Tomorrow night, the snow spreads northward late at night, heavier by the pre-dawn hours, up to 3 to 6 inches south of Buffalo by morning, lighter amounts on the Niagara Frontier, but it gets windier by morning, 20 to 23. Steady snow with a fairly gusty breeze Wednesday morning. The snow becomes more intermittent later in the day. A slow morning commute and not too much better for the afternoon commute. And then a few snow showers Wednesday night. By Thursday and Friday, we're into partly sunny and cold conditions. Dry on Saturday. Our next chance for snow would be arriving Sunday into Monday. At this point, it looks like the bulk of that storm, the heavier part of it, will just miss us. So that one's going to bear some watching too.
Okay.